Level up your stream. How to make merch for Twitch. Twitch creators know that there's more to being a successful streamer than playing video games all day. Between attracting subscribers, growing a loyal community, and managing sponsorship and affiliate deals, being a streamer means being an entrepreneur. Rather than relying only on third-party donations, subscribers, or brand deals, merch is a way to diversify your revenue with something you own from start to finish. Unlike income from amassing subscribers, which can take time to build, you can start selling merch as soon as you have a small but loyal following, and long before you apply for the Twitch Partner Program. Here, we'll teach you how to make merch for Twitch and walk you through the steps to getting started. But there's actually no reason to wait. Terrestrial started selling merch when she was at only around 10 viewers per stream, and it paid off. She said that now a substantial part of her monthly income comes from merchandise sales, with the rest coming from subscribers and affiliate deals. Honestly, I think it's better to do it just as soon as possible. Traditionally, another way to make income on Twitch is by gaining affiliate or partner status and obtaining the ability to place ads in stream and collect from subscriptions, which are split 50-50 with Twitch. Share this video.